What's up, guys? Today we have on the menu baked smothered oxtails. So firstly, you want to trim the oxtails off, the extra fat that is off the meat. You want to cut up some onions, some scallion, pre-cut that up. Next thing you want to do, you want to wash your meat. So this is the oxtail. Wash it also in some vinegar. Then you want to add your onion, your scallion. Next thing you want to add after that is your garlic, minced garlic. And then after you add your minced garlic, you want to go ahead and add your seasoning. This is my special blend of seasoning. I don't really share that. And then after you add that, you want to rub that up. And after you rub it up with all the onion, scallion, garlic, your seasoning, you want to also let that marinate. You can marinate anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. After you rub this up with your onion, your scallion, your garlic, and your seasoning, you want to go ahead and lay them out individually on your baking pan. And you want to put this in the oven at about 350 degrees for 6 hours. And you also want to baste them along the process, so this way the meat doesn't dry out, doesn't get burnt, things of that nature. And so now here we come up on the final finished product: baked smothered oxtails. And I also went ahead and added some butter beans to this, and I've already got the sauce on the side waiting to go ahead and pour over this. Bon appetit. Hey guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and also subscribe to my YouTube page at Javed'skitchen. Appreciate it. One love.